It's okay, we create content. That's why we are doing what we are doing right now. Saka muruti propaganda ndechi, what do you mean? So they are complaining, they think we are getting videos because we want to show people that they are poor. That's not what we are doing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, people are busy getting firewood from the road. Guys, as you can see, where I am standing right now, I'm along 2nd Street, near corner Harare Drive and 2nd Street. So people are getting firewood from the road. As we all know that the roads in Zimbabwe are being constructed, so this is what is happening. Vanhu vari kutora huni nekuti maroads ari kuda kugadzirwa uye maroads ari kugadzirwa, but kwatiri right now pana 2nd hapana chati chaitwa, but pane mapreparations ari kuitwa nekuti miti iri kutemwa, saka people are just getting firewood just for free. So you can come here and get firewood. If you want to get firewood, you can come and get firewood. There are some trucks that are carrying firewood. So someone is putting firewood in this thing and someone is using this to carry his or her firewood, and some people are using trucks. You can sell these. Some people are just getting them so that they can sell them. So this is what is happening where we are. Yeah? No, Sandogona, I'm good at this. Saka muruti propaganda ndechi, what do you mean by propaganda? Alright.
Yeah.
It's okay. Alright. So, huni murukudzi muda kushandisa chi huni?
We want to go to Masowe kunonamata.
Oh, you go to Masowe?
Yes.
Alright. So ndeye zoto, huni ndedze zoto.
Yes, ndedze
zoto raisaka. I know how to sing. Jeremiah, 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 Jeremiah. So I know how to sing. And murukuzona. Zoto tindiri mwana wokumasowe ini. Okay. Okay, saka munopindira kupi?
Pamusoro apo.
Oh, apa ndimi munopinda apa apa. Alright, saka mato alright kai mamuchatengi huni.
Zvovaita zvakanaka.
Mawanirwa nyasha.
Kuma hurumende kuti iteme miti.
Hurumende iri kutema miti at the same time iri kutigadzirira maroads. That's a good thing. Yeah.
Saka something kungotenda Mwari so.
Alright.
Tenga munogona.
Saka mawana dzakawanda here nezuro makanotora here uko.
Nezuro ndanonoka kudziwana nondandiri kubasa.
Alright.
Saka si shoma dzandaona idzodzo.
Munotenda Mwari. That's a good thing. Saka munonzani?
Sebastian.
Alright, it's okay. Thank you so much, Sebastian, for your time. We really appreciate it. Okay. Bunzae. Isusu. We are content creators. So we create content. Alright, it's okay. We create content. That's why we are doing what we are doing right now. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for it. Eh? Oh, imi munoenda kumasowe futi. Ndedze kumasowe here idzi. Ava ndeye kumasowe here. Muri wekumasowe. Saka inini ndipeiwo kadanda rangu ndisenge ndiise huni dzekwamwari. Hamufungi kudaro. Pamwe ndinoropafadzika. Hamuzifungi.
Tinozvifunga kudaro.
Saka ndibvumidze. Alright, saka ndichatakura riri kutemwa ifu. So guys, I'm waiting to carry firewood so that I can put there, so that God will bless me. Shidambrai the last one. Okay.
Are you able to carry this one?
Yes, I'm able to carry this one. Ndakararamira kumusha. I'm very strong. Kumusha kwangu. Kukadoma.
Kadoma.
Eh.
Go this way. Go this way.
Which way?
Go this way.
Okay.
Safer that way.
Thank you so much. Oh, mukadoma kupi? Oh,
thank you.
Saka muri mwana wokumusha. You are welcome. Muri mwana? Urimuka which school? You are not serious. You are lying. Oh. Okay, mpamombe, mnyaradzi, kwadzana, ara what? Okay. Oh, rimuka hai. Oh, ndawana munhu wekumusha kwangu panapa. So, he's from Kadoma. I'm from Kadoma. Oh, ndoko makaberekerwa. All right, it's okay. Ndoko andinogara iko, ndoko andakakurira kuKadoma. Ndaigara kuna Matengarufu. Kuzasu. Ndoko ataigara.
First line iro.
All right. Yeah, okondokuziva. Why are you so scared? So we are helping each other to carry firewood. The truck is full of firewood. This is it, huh? Where can I put them? Thank you so much, guys. Chakuradza zviri kuitika muna second. Saka this is what is happening muna second. As you know that the roads are being constructed, so people are busy getting firewood along second street, so that they can use that firewood. So it's free. You are not being charged because the trees are being cut by the people who are doing road construction. So this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos. We really appreciate. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.